Welcome students to the section of English grammar. The topic for today is sentences for 3rd and 4th standards presented by Madam Mino. So let's get started. A sentence is a group of words having complete sense. Generally, a sentence has subject, verb, object or complement. Subject means who does something. For example, I teach you. In this sentence, I is a subject. Teach is an action verb and you is an object. I is doing an action, that is teaching, to the object, that is you. A subject can be a person or a thing whom we talk about. For example, Rohan is a studious boy. In this sentence, Rohan is not doing anything. Even then, he is a subject. Why? Because we are talking about Rohan. This is the reason Rohan is a subject, is a verb. A studious boy is a complement. Second example, they have good friendship. In this sentence, they are not doing anything, but we are talking about their some good things, which is their friendship. That's why they is a subject in this sentence, have is a verb, and good friendship is an object. Let's have some more examples. India is a developing country. The table is broken. His shirt is not filthy. You are allowed to go outside. Ankit and Om are cooking fish together. In all these sentences, we have seen India, the table, his shirt, you, Ankit and Om are subject. We have to understand that a sentence always starts with subject and end with an object or complement. Let's do this exercise. Reassemble these sentences and make them meaningful. The first sentence is live the Varanasi in. Second sentence, eating we together are. Third sentence, tomorrow she come will. Fourth sentence, and Kriti have Sonu magic stick a. Fifth sentence, never early I wake up. Pause the video, do this exercise in your notebook. Let's see the answers. The first sentence, live they Varanasi in, will be they live in Varanasi. Second sentence, eating we together are, will be we are eating together. Third sentence, tomorrow she come will be she will come tomorrow. Fourth sentence, and Kriti have Sonu magic stick a, will be Sonu and Kriti have a magic stick. Fifth sentence, never early I wake up, will be I never wake up early. Well done students. I hope you all have known properly what is sentence. Thank you for watching.